Good morning, children. Open page number 16 studio. Here we have one activity 6.10. This is conversation between one boy and girl. See, girl tells a forest near my town is being cleared and converted into a farmland. I feel very sad about it. Okay, she is feeling very sad because of the forest being cleared and converted into a farmland. But the boy not feeling, okay, he is not feeling sad, and he is again telling to girl, why should you feel sad about it? ఎందుకు బాధపడుతున్నావు? After all trees are being cut for growing plants and crop, right? ఈ ఫారెస్ట్లన్నీ ఫామ్ ల్యాండ్స్ కింద కన్వర్ట్ అయినాయి కదా, సో ఎందుకు ఫీల్ అవుతున్నావు నువ్వు? దీనికి ఏం ఫీల్ అవ్వాల్సిన అవసరం లేదని చెప్పేసి తను అంటున్నాడు. ఓకే, డూ యూ థింక్ ద బాయ్ ఈజ్ రైట్? గివ్ రీజన్స్ ఫర్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్. సో చిల్డ్రన్, సో whom will you support? Either girl or boy? Just write your response here. Now coming to this afforestation. What is afforestation, children? The process of planting more trees on empty land and allowing them to grow is called afforestation. See children, after deforestation, the government and the people realized about the deforestation. Without forest, how can the animals survive? How can the all creatures survive? No. As already I have told you, without lungs we cannot breathe. Like without forest, earth also cannot live, because forest is the lungs of the earth. Okay children, so the public and government making efforts to plant in more trees. Okay, that moment is known as afforestation. Okay children, the process of planting more trees on empty land and allowing them to grow is called afforestation. Coming to the protection. What is protection, children? The government has declared some forest areas as protected areas. In such areas, cutting trees and killing animals is not allowed by law. So as per rules, as per law, we should not disturb the protected areas. Okay, we should not go the protected areas, especially in forest, right? Wildlife sanctuaries and national parks are examples of protected areas. If you harmful to the any animal, if you disturb the animal system, living system, then what happens? The police officers and forest range officer will come to and take to a prison. Okay, that is one punishment. Children, that's why should not cut the trees and kill the animals, especially in protected areas. Not only protected areas, if any area, so you should not disturb that. You should not kill the animals. You should not cut the trees, especially in protected areas. This is about protection, children. See here, we have 6.11 activity, children. Name a wildlife sanctuary in your state or a neighboring state. See children, Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary at Kakinada in East Godavari district. So you can go and visit this Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary. Then you can find that protected areas, right? You should not disturb any animal and should not cut any trees. So that this is about 6.11 activity, children. Now 6.12. Answer the following questions. What is deforestation? Cutting down trees on a large scale is known as a deforestation. Just write here, children. If you don't know means you can turn the pages and revise the last classes. Then you can write this answer. Okay. Now I will write the answer of this question, children. Deforestation is the process of cutting down trees on a large scale. See children, now turn the page. B question. What is afforestation? The process of planting more trees on empty land and allowing them to grow is known as afforestation. Okay children, so this is about today class children. In the next session I will explain this activity as well as mind map in the page number 90. Okay, all the bit by bit I will explain you in the next session. So today should complete these two. You have to complete these two and you have to underline the new words in this lesson. Okay, already we got the new words: wildlife sanctuaries, protected areas, national parks. Okay, these all are the new words children. So you have to underline it and you should copy in your social CW notebook. This is today work children. So you should complete. Okay, the remaining I will explain in the next session. Until then, bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.